Cookies.
What kind?
Cookies. Dark, peanut butter.
Peanut butter. What do we put in peanut butter cookies?
Eggs.
Eggs. What else?
I know. Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. What else, Sadie?
Sugar.
Sugar.
And eggs.
What kinds of sugar do we put in it, Sadie?
White sugar.
What else?
Brown sugar.
What else?
Mm.
That's it.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
What are you doing, Sadie?
Making cookies.
Are you staring at Maddie?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to help?
Yeah.
Do you want to pour the stuff?
Yeah.
You're going to help with the flour?
You want to do the brown sugar, Sadie?
Yeah. I do it too.
You can help too.
I want that one.
Hey, William. Are you helping with the cookies?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like cookies?
Squirrel.
Are you going to eat the cookies?
Sadie, come around here.
Yeah.
Just Sadie right now.
Are we going to
Just
roll them
Sadie.
into balls?
Just say yeah.
Yeah. And then we're
Actually,
going
you
to
guys
roll them
can
into
both
some
come.
sugar?
Yeah.
Yeah. Got it? There you go. Be very... Hey, turn it this way so it doesn't flip over on you. Yeah.
No, we're not using that one.
All
We're not using that one either. No, we're not using that one. Like this. Put this one. It's already ready. Shake it. There you go.
I'm ready for my turn. Then it's my. Let's take both turns.
But then it's William's turn.
Then
Yes.
it's my turn. Then it's Cindy's turn. Then it's his turn. Then it's 3 of us.
Are you still tired?
Shake it.
No.
Woo! Good job, Sadie.
What is that?
No, this is. Whoa, that's 2. Can I?
Nope, 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 nope. Thank you.
It's William. I already tasted that.
You want to help, William?
Yeah.
Yeah. You ready to pour your stuff?
Let me see a video.
What's he going to do? Oh, I think he's going to do the flour.
We need baking soda, baking powder, and salt.
There.
Can I see the
Yeah.
video?
Oh, he's going to do the baking soda, Maddie said.
Are we just doing
See
soda?
that
No, you do
video?
soda, powder, and salt. We
Can I
won't drink.
see the video?
When we're done, do you want to say goodbye? Let's
Goodbye.
Get, no, we want William to help.
Goodbye.
We have to get William.
Oops. Here, Mommy. Daddy. Look at that.
Thank you. William, come here. You don't have to bring your chair, just bring yourself.
Isn't it William's turn? Then it's my turn, and it's her turn.
Sit on your knees.
There you go.
Peanut butter cookies. Cookies.
Hey, how you been?
We're making cookies.
Soda?
We're baking cookies.
Soda.
We're making peanut butter cookies instead of chocolate chip cookies this time.
Hi.
Hi.
There you go.
guys.
Yeah.
Get up on your knees.
Good
Good
Can
job.
I do it next time with a little one?
Okay, can you guys all say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Sadie,
Goodbye.
William.